Please subscribe Paddu Tech channel, like it and share it. All India quota, AIQ, All India quota, MBBS, NEET UC rank or mark cutoff 2023, round wise, category wise cutoff, All India rank. Unreserved, category wise means unreserved, EWS, OBC, SC and ST. Round 1, round 2, round 3, stray, special stray. Now we see about MBBS and NEET All India quota category wise cutoff. Unreserved category, round 1, 19,396. This is All India rank, marks 618. So round 2 cutoff, 22,104, marks 612. Round 3 cutoff, 22,663, marks 611. Stray round, 23,562, rank, marks 610. Special stray round, cutoff 23,674, marks 610. Category EWS, round 1 cutoff, All India rank 21,591, marks 613. Round 2 cutoff, All India rank 24,430, marks 608. Round 3 cutoff, Air, All India rank 24,659, marks 608. Stray round, cutoff 25,005, marks 607. Special stray round, cutoff 25,013, marks 607. All India quota MBBS NEET UC OBC category cutoff, round wise. Round 1, 19,977, All India rank and marks 617. In round 2 cutoff, 22,456, marks 612. Round 3, 22,784, marks 611 cutoff. In stray round, cutoff 23,575, marks 610. In special stray round, 23,675, marks 610. SC category, round wise cutoff. Round 1, All India rank 1,13,000, marks 509. Round 2 cutoff rank 1,16,887, marks 492. Round 3 cutoff, All India rank 1,23,215, marks 486. Stray round, All India rank 1,28,978, marks 480. In special stray cutoff, special stray round cutoff, 1,29,158, All India rank, marks 480. ST category round wise cutoff. Round 1 All India rank 1,41,071, marks 469. Round 2 All India rank 1,45,254, cutoff, marks 465. Round 3 cutoff 1,59,636, marks 453. Stray round cutoff 1,68,853, marks 445. Special stray round cutoff 1,69,088, marks 445. Please subscribe for the tech channel, like it and share it. Thank you.